everyone, my name is Alexa Arquen and welcome to my mini blog. Throughout this subject, I've learned so much about how technology empowers creativity and communication. In this blog, I'll be sharing two important lessons that I've learned, which is advanced presentation skills and imaging and design for online environment. So one of the most impactful lessons that I learned in empowerment technology is about advanced presentation skills. I discovered how to create professional and engaging presentations using tools like Microsoft PowerPoint and Canva. So I learned how to apply design principles such as balance, contrast, and alignment to make my slide more visually appealing and easier to understand. This lesson helped me improve not only my technical skills but also my confidence in presenting ideas clearly and creatively. So now I'm gonna show you my screenshot about the Canva presentation that I made. Canva and PowerPoint. Another important lesson was imaging and design for online environment. In this topic, I learned how to create digital content that captures attention, like poster, infographics, and online advertisement. I learned about color harmony, typographic, and layout, which is essential for creating visuals that communicate effectively. This topic also taught me about being responsible and ethical when using online images, like giving credit and avoiding plagiarism. So, again, I'm gonna show you the poster that I make. I take, for example, if I take the curse of a teachers, maybe. So, as a future teachers, advanced presentation skills will help me create interactive lessons that keep my student engaged. Imaging and design will allow me to make visual materials that make learning more enjoyable and easier to understand. These skills will help me communicate better, teach more effectively, and make my classes more creative. So, empowerment technology subject is taught me that technology is not just about using tools. It's about expressing ideas, connecting with people, and creating positive impact. I'm thankful for what I learned because it prepared me to use technology responsibly and creatively in my chosen career. So that's all. Thank you for watching.